For Dawkar Elegance, we have taken all legal permissions as well as RERA approval. Then only we have started our construction.
I have perused all the documents pertaining to the said property, for which I am given the title certificate. The people who will purchase flats in this project will get value for their money.
The Dawkar Elegance has hired well-quality workforce so that there is regular updation of the accounts and statutory compliances.
As a high-rise structure, we have designed it by considering various IS code norms including earthquake and wind loading. We are using high-density concrete of M40 grade and likewise to enhance durability of structure.
The priority of our company is quality and time. We use various types of new techniques for shuttering work, which fulfills our basic need, which is quality and time.
Safety is a very important part in everyone's life. On our side, at a Kalyan Projects, we are taking no chance regarding safety. We are following 100% safety rules and regulations.
So security surveillance is a very big issue which we have very systematically and as per norms we have planned. Electrical will be also the exactly technically fit and fine system for Dawkar Elegance.
We at Dawkar Elegance believe in teamwork. For an example, if there is change in architectural design, this change need to be incorporated with different agencies in their design in the same manner. This requires good amount of coordination and teamwork.
As assigned by my client Dawkar Infrastructure, for designing of this project, we start the designs with the consideration of the needs of public as well as the plot's concerns and requirements of clients. So the clients need some specific requirements. On that basis also that we put it concern of that subjects. We start the designs and finally we come to the conclusion with all these aspects to be concerned. This total conclusion we concern today that with this structure as on today we comes with permissions and we start on erections on the project.
Dawkar Elegance is a project worth waiting for because here the developer as well as the consultants have spared no pains or efforts to provide the end client with the best possible amenities and facilities, be it from the aesthetic point of view or the technical point of view. Here we have weekly all consultant meetings where the question which is floated around is, how can we do this better? How can we do this better? Or how else can we, or what else can we provide the end client with? All the consultants that we have worked with over here are not only well experienced but are also extremely passionate about the work. That makes a lot of difference in the end product that comes out. So basically I think that it's going to come out as a hugely successful project where the end user is going to be a really happy person because he's going to get something much more than what he expected.
Well, home is not just a four-square wall, it's a feeling. Most of the people in their life spend most of their time at home. So amenities, peaceful environment, safety, privacy are their main concern. Keeping all these things in mind, we have developed an entire Dawkar infrastructure and Dawkar Elegance so that people won't just live here, they should feel it, they should enjoy it.
When it is about dream homes,
it needs to be focused on luxury amenities. We really work on customer perception to fill them as a luxury resort. So Dowker Elegance is welcoming you to own your pride.